After dry sanding with P800, it's time to start the wet sanding process. We're going to start with P1000 and then move up to P1500 before going to the buffing wheel. Now I'm going to introduce you to a 3M product that I found for wet sanding that I really like a lot. It's called a flexible abrasive sheet, and I'll give you some more information at the bottom of the screen about it. But it has some features that I really like. Let me show you. The first thing I like is that when you put it in a dish of water and store it, it won't curl. It's also really easy to see what the grit number is. The product is supplied from the manufacturer on a perforated sheet, which you can easily tear into 2 separate sheets. This size is perfect for working on a guitar. You can use it with a supplied backing pad, or just do what I do, and it's the perfect size to wrap around the block that we've used throughout this video. Storage of this product couldn't be any easier. The boxes stack really neatly on top of each other, showing the grit. So when you need to get a grit, all you do is pull the little drawer out and take out what you need. We'll start the wet sanding process with the P1000 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to wrap it around this double density sanding block we've been using throughout this video. I'm going to start with the soft side of the block, and I'm going to sand the barrel. This actually goes very quickly because you did all the flattening and major sanding with the first step, or the 800 grit. As I get up to around the contoured areas of the neck, the back of the peg head, and the heel, I'll just take the same sandpaper and use my fingers as a backing block. One final advantage of this sandpaper is that you can also use it dry, which is a big advantage around the tuner holes, which I typically don't like to get water on. And it sands just as nicely as the other product that we used, the P800 Grit Free Cut Gold. Once I've finished with the 1000 grit, I'll move up to the 1200 and then do the final wet sanding with the 1500.